Okay, so here we are. We're back right here on, of course, 93.5 WVIP FM. We're also live on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and many other platforms. I am David Squeezaniki, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of companies. And of course, I collaborate with my dear friend, the top personal injury attorney in the United States, by yours truly, Squeeze, on, of course, this station to give you what's called Cruising with the Case Handler. It's where we talk on personal injury law. We talk about settlements that he has done over the past 17 years, and we empower our community to have the right personal injury attorney. God forbid they get hurt in an accident. Accidents being trip and fall, automobile accidents, medical malpractice, construction accidents, and more. With that said, let me introduce my dear friend, Adam Handler, the Case Handler, of course, right here on Cruising with the Case Handler. Adam, welcome back to Testimonial Segment.
Good morning, Squeeze. Thank you so much for having me on again today. We were on earlier about an hour ago, had a great show. Thanks for tuning in. If you're still listening, good for you. If you're just tuning in for the first time today, good morning. My name is Adam Handler. I'm your case handler. I've been a personal injury attorney for 17 years, broadcasting on this radio station since September of 2005. Often imitated, never duplicated. I am here for you and your family if, God forbid, disaster strikes. Regardless of your immigration status, you are entitled to money under the law, and I help you get as much as possible the first time around, Squeeze. You know why we have to do it as much as possible the first time around?
Why is that?
Because there are no redos in personal injury. You can't reopen the case.
Hold up, Adam. So you're telling me if I'm out there and I get hurt, I get rear-ended, okay, in my car, right? And I get hurt and I decided to just go to some attorney somewhere, and I just accept that because, someone handed me a card at the scene of the accident. And I go to that attorney. I actually got a settlement of, let's say, $5,000 and realized that my injuries were not actually investigated enough by that attorney and whatever doctor. You're telling me I can't go back and say, yo, attorney, what up? I believe I need more money. What do you mean?
Once you sign on that dotted line, Squeeze, it is over. You have released your rights to further compensation. You have released your rights to bring a lawsuit. You've released your rights. You have released your rights to reopen that case. So that's why we always say one chance, one choice, and I am your case handler. Thousands of people have sought my legal expertise. Thousands of people have sought my exceptional legal services, and I've helped thousands of people obtain millions and 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 millions of dollars.
That's what it is. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, before you get to a true success story within the next 60 seconds, Adam, everyone that's listening to the radio, I want to say a good morning to Ian Jones, who just tuned in also. I want to say good morning to Glenford, who just tuned in also. Do me a favor, people. It's been a while since we have actually done this. It's 8:30 on Wednesday, October the 27th. I just dated this. And if you are listening to the radio, I really want to know if you're listening to the radio. That's one. And two, I really also want to know that you have the number stored in your phone for Adam Handler, your personal injury attorney. God forbid anyone get into an accident. So do us a solid right now. I need everyone tuning this. I'm begging this of you. I want to find out where you are listening from. Are you in New Jersey? Are you in New York? Are you in the Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island? Do a check-in right now with Adam Handler and said, yo, I'm tuning into you and Squeeze right here on Wednesday, October the 27th. Okay, my daughter's birthday. I'm doing a check-in right now. Can you all check in with Adam right now? The number is 844-774-3529. Even if you're on Facebook or YouTube, do a check-in and call that number right now. And of course, store the number. He's your personal injury attorney. But just tell him where you are actually tuning in from. Are you in the Bronx? Are you in Brooklyn? Are you in Queens? Nurses, are you on your way home? Construction workers, are you on your way to the job or from the job? Anybody that's out there, do me a favor. Give us right now the cruising check-in. All right? The number to call, tell us where you're calling from. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Give us a ring right now, 844-774-3529, and lock in the top personal injury attorney, Adam Handler. Yeah, Adam, talk to me, man. I want to hear a true success story. Pop one up.
Let's play a few. And ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we play these true life success stories, these testimonials, the calls are coming in right now, is because, we want to make sure that you understand that while this is a show, this is real life, real people, real problems with real solutions. And the best possible endorsement, Squeeze, should come for those individuals who never expected they get into an accident at work, never expected they get into an accident on the road, and then, needed our help. So I'll play a few of these. This is a gentleman that just picked up a settlement check only a few days ago, Squeeze, if I can play this for you.
Okay.
I am Bobby. I had a case in 2020, and that vehicle that hit me, they didn't even couldn't find any insurance for them, and it was so surprising now to see me. I'm going home with about almost $32,000 from this case. I'm very happy. I believe Adam Handler, along with Matthew Steve, is the best lawyer in this whole big America. They had a very good team during my case. They called me time after time to check up on me to see if everything was going fine with me. I would advise anyone who had an accident to go with this team, Adam Anglat's law firm. I cannot go wrong. Thank you very much.
You know what I like, Adam? What I like about you and your team? Anyone that's listening to this radio station and anyone that's even listening to any other segments, even the broadcasters and other people, when they listen to your true success story, forget about you and I for a few seconds here. When they listen to your true success stories of someone who got hurt in an accident, and they can hear the voice of these people, everyone can tell and feel the genuine attitude coming from their vocal cords. And every time I listen to your true success stories, Adam, I literally feel what they have gone through and what you have done for them. You can sense, you can feel the appreciation of what it is that you have done for them and how happy they are that you were their attorney, how happy Matt Goodstein and the rest of your family, Sandra and everybody, was their team. So
yeah, it's an amazing feeling. And I invite all those listening right now on 93.5 FM to check out the Case Handler on Facebook and check out the Case Handler on Instagram, because you'll see with your own very eyes these people. And on my Instagram or whenever I post on social media, I always do two hashtags. One is the Case Handler, and the other one is results are all that matter. Because really, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter who's the loudest attorney on this radio station. It doesn't matter who's on in the morning, who's on in the afternoon, who's on at the top of the hour. Results are all that matter. And we have been delivering consistent and exceptional results for nearly 2 decades, Squeeze. Listen to this testimonial right here.
The man does his job. Like, you can talk to him, tell him, he stays in contact, he's very responsive. You will never be left out of the loop. Never. If you need something, if he needs to know something new about your case, you're gonna know. You know what I'm saying? He's amazing.
He's amazing. You hear that? I'm quite sure he loved those words. He's amazing.
That's the real deal, and that's all that really matters, Squeeze.
Can I get another one, man? I'm leaving you.
Yeah, I'll give you as many as you want. This is a nice one. This is a gentleman, Uber driver, gets into an accident on the was it the Belt Parkway or the Bruckner? I forget. Car freaking flips over, man, all over the news. He had thousands of attorneys to call. A lot of people were coming up to him at the scene of the accident. A lot of people were coming up to him in the hospital. He tuned all that out. He went with who he believed to be the best possible personal injury attorney. And this is what he had to say when his case settled for the maximum amount.
Hello, my name is Trevor. I have a case in which I forward to Adam for him to take care of, which I've been listening to Adam for so many years. I know and I have confidence in him to, to deal with this case. And so far, I'm very appreciative to what he have done for me, and all thanks to him, because he's a very, very good, loyal lawyer. Do his work, contact his people, stay on top of things, and I'm just recommending Adam right now to to anyone that even have a problem, to just give him a call, and they'll be happy in the end. So, thanks to Adam for dealing with my case, and I appreciate him so very much, and his group. So thank you very much. One love, Adam. Thank you.
Wow. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, tuning in right now? The show is called Cruising with a Case Handler. You just heard from a true success story. All right. Someone who went to a terrible accident, and the attorney represented him. The attorney that represented him was Adam Handler. And this is what the show is all about. So right now, I want to say thanks to each and everyone for tuning in. But more importantly, once again, give us a check-in. Tell us where you're calling from. Let us know that you have stored the number. And yeah, you may never get into an accident, but maybe a family member or a friend or someone you know may get into an accident. And you want to make sure that they have true and great and excellent representation. Listen, the proof is in the pudding. And the true success stories speak volume. And that is one of the reasons why I'm humbled every time we do the show right here on 93.5 FM, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So do us a favor, do the future individual that's going to get into an accident a favor, and store the number by dialing it right now. Do a check-in from wherever you are in New York. I want to hear where you're actually calling from. Is it New Jersey? Is it New York? Is it Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, parts of New York? Is it in Hackensack, Teaneck? Is it in Newark? Where are you? Give us a call right this second. Once again, today is Wednesday, hump day. The phone number for you to call right now is 844-774-3529. Why are you calling that number? You're calling it, 1, to do a check-in, 2, to actually store the number in your device. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Every one of you need to have this number, especially if you're an immigrant. Once again, regardless of your status, you get into an accident, you do have rights. Adam Handler will ensure that you still get that settlement. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And let me remind you, you don't have to put any money up front when you go with Adam Handler. Touch on that, Adam, and let them have the number.
Yeah, we don't talk about that too much. There's no money up front. I work on a contingency fee, meaning I get paid if and only if I'm successful for you. If nothing comes out of the case, you owe me absolutely nothing. So there's absolutely no risk to you, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely no reason whatsoever why you and your family shouldn't have the best possible attorney fighting for your one and only shot at financial justice.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our segment, Cruising with a Case Handler. Remember, you can always visit him on Instagram, The Case Handler, the same on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. I am David Squeezaniki. That's my name on all the social media platforms. I want to say thank you so much for being here with us. If you appreciate the show, you love the show, dial the number, store the number, and pass it on to someone else. And once again, that number for Adam Handler and his team is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And don't forget, Feel Good Friday is brought to you by the Case Handler himself each and every single Friday at 6:03 p.m. right here on 93.5 WVIP FM. Make sure you check it out. Thank you all so much. Love you all. Peace, love, unity, strength, and harmony. Plush to each and every one tuning into Adam Handler and Squeeze here on a Wednesday. Take care. Have yourself an amazing day. But remember, 844-774-3529. Make the call, 844-774-3529. Adam Handler, thank you so much for being you, man.
My brother, thank you so much for this platform. I really appreciate it. And of course, I will not let you down.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Let's do this.